It's a nature area, top of Lake Galena, where the Neshaminy Creek enters. Still a little ice up here, but the lake is thawed out, but it's muddy. Check it out. It's all mud there. Here's some geese on the way up. So here's where the creek enters and starts the lake. This is the lake I was fishing in November, getting those white perch. Yeah, no fishing here. I bet it's good fishing though. Special wildlife. Yeah. Penalty up to $200. Back there it said $300. I guess they changed it. All right. Important bird area. Important bird area. Yeah, check it out. Here they come now. Oh, dang. Here's the creek. This is the Neshaminy Creek. Oh, man, it's clear up this end. The lake is muddy. This is cleared off, though. This is the important bird area. Ooh. Check it out. Still some ice up this end. Little bit of ice. This is the good fishing up here. Well, once again, and the geese flying over me. Alright. Told you it was an important bird area. So the water's a little bit lower. This time of year it usually is. They usually lower it. But this is the Neshaminy Creek. I gotta get a kayak up in here somehow. Well, that's a neat tree. And oh, we got some diving birds here. Oh, more than one there. Check it out. Whoa. That's a neat cove up here. Alright, well, the main lake, I can kayak. I think I can fish up to where that thing is sticking up out there. I'll give it a try. There's it. Alright. That's about it. This is the Neshaminy. Going up here. Wow. Well, it's pretty clear. All right, there it is. There's the bend. Oh, I gotta take a kayak down in here. Maybe I can fish this area. There's a little walking path back here. There's some other humans and earthlings. And all remaining flower heads. There's the bridge, the nature bridge. Is it lower than usual?
It is.
Yeah, it looks lower from over there. I haven't been up here in years at this part.
Okay.
I know you can't fish up here, and I was wondering if I can get a kayak down into this upper area.
They don't want you to take a kayak up there either.
How far up?
I'm not sure how far, but that's part of the nature center.
Yeah.
It goes up pretty far.
Oh, it goes up pretty far?
Yeah, you're just not allowed. But down there, you know.
Yeah, I fished there in November. I usually go upstate, but I had to fish down here. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So I did all right. I got some white perch, yellow perch.
Good.
Yeah.